So there's no such thing as an unimportant day. Make every day count. And on our 100 secrets to building a remarkable life, secret number 2, and this is a favorite Robin Sharma quote: your days are your life in miniature. As you live your hours, so you create your years. As you live your days, so you craft your life. What you do today is actually creating your future. So the words you speak, the thoughts you think, the food you eat, the people you speak to, the books you read, the videos you watch, and then the actions you take each day define your destiny. The small choices you make, it's the daily habits you install, creates your life. So there's no such thing as an unimportant day. Make every day count. So the great leaders of the world, athletes, successful business leaders, movie stars, social media influencers, none of them are more gifted than any of us. It is that, and that we have the same number of hours in the day. It's just, they just take little steps each day in creating the habits that create their remarkable life. So in the box below, I'd love for you to share with each other, what do you think is the one most important habit in your life that you're currently doing to create your remarkable life? And I'd love to see them and to share. And tribe, remember, you are brave, resilient, and remarkable. Bye.